Welcome to your very first Gresham Ford car wash kit. With any luck, you received one of these kits here, and we're going to start off today by opening up this kit. Once you open it up, you're going to find a car duster, a sponge, towels for wiping down the inside of your car, wash mitt, a window squeegee and scrubber, and your very own collapsible bucket. Our first step in washing a car is we want to find a nice shady spot. Then we're going to actually pre-rinse the vehicle, wash the vehicle, and then dry the vehicle once we're done. Step one, you want to pull out your bucket, rinse out the bucket, fill it full of water, then add your car wash. First with the vehicle, we want to start by pre-rinsing the car. We rinse from the top to the bottom and try to remove any type of debris that's on the vehicle. Pine needles, leaves, etc. Step two, after you've pre-rinsed your vehicle, you want to start washing it from the bottom to the top. This keeps you from missing spots. Our third step is to rinse the vehicle. We want to start rinsing from the top to the bottom. We want to do this soon enough before the soap dries on the vehicle. Now that we've completed washing the vehicle, we want to move on to washing the rims. We always save that step for one of the last ones because we don't want that dirt and debris back onto our clean car. Now that you have finished washing your vehicle, we have one last important step to do. We may want to dry the vehicle off. It's not a critical step, but it is important to keep from getting water spots on the vehicle. Thank you everybody for spending time with us here today at Gresham Ford. We really hope this was helpful for you while you're sheltering at home. This is a great activity to have fun with your children or even by yourself. So come on down here to Gresham Ford and see our cashier. She'll give you a free car wash kit Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. till 6 p.m., Saturday, 8 a.m. till 4.